Legal battle erupts over Trump anti-diversity order, a legal standoff over federal diversity policy. In a significant legal challenge to the Trump administration's sweeping anti-diversity measures, the state of Maryland, alongside three advocacy groups, has filed a lawsuit against US President Donald Trump, contesting the constitutionality of his executive orders aimed at dismantling diversity, equity, and inclusion initiative within the federal government. The lawsuit lodged in the U.S. District Court for the District of Maryland contends that these executive actions exceed the President's constitutional authority. The plaintiffs, which include the National Association of Diversity Officers in Higher Education, the American Association of University Professors, the Restaurant Opportunity Centers United, and the Mayor and City Council of Baltimore, are seeking both preliminary and permanent injunctions to halt the implementation of these orders. They argue that Trump directives not only contravene the foundational principles of equality but also attempt to exert control beyond the executive branch's jurisdiction. Trump's execution order, issued on January 20 and 21, swiftly rescinded numerous diversity policies enacted by the Biden administration. The first order mandated the mass termination of federal employees involved in DEI and DEIA, an environmental justice initiative effectively erasing long-standing institutional commitment to workplace inclusivity. The second order extended its reach to publicly traded corporations, large non-profit, university endowments, and professional associations, warning of punitive action against entities that continue to endorse diversity programs. The legal challenge underscores a broader ideological battle over the role of government in fostering diversity and equal opportunity. Trump's administration has consistently opposed affirmative action policies, arguing that the disadvantage more qualified candidate in favor of quotas that prioritize gender, ethnicity, and sexual orientation. Conversely, civil rights organizations and progressive policymakers assert that such initiatives are indispensable for addressing systematic inequities that have historically marginalized women, racial minorities, and LGBTQ communities in the workforce. As the case progresses, its outcome will likely influence future policy debates and set legal precedents for executive order authority over social initiative. The White House has deferred comments to the Justice Department, which has yet to issue an official response. Meanwhile, civil rights groups and progressive organizations are rallying support for the lawsuit, framing it as a pivotal battle for the preservation of equality and inclusion in the American workplace. With the legal proceeding underway, the nation watches closely as the judicial system deliberates on a case that could shape the trajectory of diversity policies for years to come. Whether Trump's order will withstand judicial scrutiny or be deemed unconstitutional remains a crucial question that could redefine the federal government's approach to workplace equity and inclusion.